Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car wash foam guns that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit. It's the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at $33.96, and offers dual compatibility with both pressure washers and garden hoses. This means you get versatility, whether you have a full detailing setup or just a garden hose at home. The kit includes a foam cannon, ergonomic wash gun adapter, and adapters for both pressure washers and garden hoses, making it easy to switch between setups. The design is functional, featuring a wide, non-tip bottle with marked lines for easy soap measurement. The ergonomic adapter ensures a secure grip even for extended use. Performance-wise, this foam cannon delivers high foaming action, ideal for removing dirt and grime from your vehicle's exterior. However, users have noted that it's not as durable as some of the higher-end models, and its foam output is more suited for light to moderate cleaning tasks. Overall, the Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit is perfect for beginners or casual car enthusiasts. While it may not have the premium build of other options, its affordable price and dual functionality make it a great value. Pros include its budget-friendly price, easy switching between pressure washers and hoses, and ergonomic design. Cons include lower durability and less foam output compared to premium models. At number 4, we have the Chemical Guys Torque Foam Blaster 6 Foam Wash Gun. This product is designed for those who don't have access to a pressure washer, as it connects directly to any standard garden hose. The Torque Foam Blaster is known for its ease of use and ability to create a fun, foam-filled car wash experience, making it a great choice for families. The build quality is solid, with durable plastic components and a user-friendly design. The adjustable foam concentration dial lets you control the amount of foam generated, which is especially useful for cars with different levels of dirt and grime. While the foam isn't as thick as what you'd get with a pressure washer-based cannon, it's more than sufficient for regular car cleaning. However, if you're dealing with heavy-duty cleaning tasks, this might not be the best option. The Chemical Guys Torque Foam Blaster is ideal for casual car owners who want an easy-to-use foam gun that connects directly to their garden hose. Pros include its compatibility with garden hoses, adjustable foam settings, and fun, family-friendly design. On the downside, it lacks the high-pressure foam output of pressure washer-compatible models and may not be suitable for professional-level detailing work. Coming in at number 3, we have the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun. This kit is a fantastic option for those who want a comprehensive package, as it includes a microfiber wash mitt along with the foam gun. The SwiftJet Foam Gun connects directly to a standard garden hose, making it easy to use without requiring additional equipment. The design is sleek and functional, featuring an adjustable 6-level foam ratio dial that lets you control the amount of foam generated. This is a great feature for tailoring your cleaning process to different levels of dirt and grime. The included microfiber mitt ensures a scratch-free finish and adds value to the kit. However, the foam output is moderate, so it's best for light to medium cleaning tasks rather than heavy-duty jobs. The SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun is perfect for car enthusiasts who want a simple, effective solution for regular car washing. Pros include the adjustable foam settings, included microfiber mitt, and garden hose compatibility. Cons include moderate foam output and a slightly higher price point for its category. At number 2, we have the Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun with Foam Cannon. This is a high-performance option designed for users with pressure washers. It features a 1/4-inch quick connector and comes with 5 interchangeable nozzle tips, making it highly versatile for various cleaning tasks. The build quality is excellent, with a brass connector and durable plastic components. It's capable of handling up to 4,000 psi, making it one of the most powerful options on our list. The adjustable foam lance allows you to control the foam thickness, and the short gun design ensures easy maneuverability, especially in tight spaces. However, it's worth noting that this product is not compatible with garden hoses, limiting its versatility. The Tool Daily Short Pressure Washer Gun is ideal for professional detailers or car enthusiasts with access to a pressure washer. Pros include its high pressure capability, adjustable foam lance, and durable construction. Cons include its lack of garden hose compatibility and the need for a pressure washer to operate. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Tool Daily Foam Cannon with 1/4 inch quick connector. This foam cannon is perfect for anyone looking for professional-grade performance at a reasonable price. It's equipped with a 1-liter container, a 1/4 inch quick connector, and 5 pressure washer nozzle tips for maximum versatility. The design is robust, featuring brass connectors and a sturdy plastic bottle. It delivers thick, consistent foam, making it ideal for tackling even the dirtiest vehicles. The adjustable nozzle allows you to control the foam pattern and thickness, providing flexibility for various cleaning tasks. While it's not compatible with garden hoses, its performance with pressure washers is unmatched in this price range. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon is the best choice for professionals and serious car enthusiasts. Pros include excellent foam quality, durable construction, and included nozzle tips for added versatility. Cons include the lack of garden hose compatibility and the need for a pressure washer to operate. If you have a pressure washer, this is hands down the best option on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.